Okay, that windshield's nasty. What, December the... something. It's December, and it's 40, and it's sunny, and so I'm riding my motorcycle. So last time was not the last ride. And the last ride, I said it was 40-ish. It was actually 50-something, which is a noticeable difference, but, you know, take what I can get. I'm going to start by not getting smushed by a van. Right there. I think that was second gear. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. Let's stay in low gear until you get warm. About what revs it turns on the interstate anyway. Bust out the heavy gloves today. It was chilly. I had a nice set of motorcycle based or targeted warm gloves and lost them somewhere, and I'm getting really dumb. Probably the same place as my one Columbia liner. Alright, so the motorcycle pants that I got for my birthday have a removable liner, and because of that, they are noticeably better in the cool weather than my last pair, which were a second pair of Tourmaster brand jobbies. They're rain-proof, but that second pair did not last at all. They started coming apart at the seams by the pockets. That's really, the shell did anyway. The interior was fine, but it looked awful. So this is a different brand. I don't even know what brand these are. These are cheap found Alpha. They seem nicely constructed. The liner makes them warm. It is removable for the summer because I do not go without skid protection. I cannot put these on and off with my boots on though, which is kind of the only downside. I always like to put my shoes on in the house and then put overpaints on in the garage. And the Tourmaster one zipped all the way up to your hip. I think I'm going to go down. I'm going to make a short run. Go down to one of my favorite, relatively speaking, local stretches on Highway 44, just through Franklin. So I'm going to, outside I'm going to skip Franklin. I'm going to go down this. This is Centerline / Sawmill, and it takes me right down to where I want to go. A couple of my friends who are also gearheads, more of the four-wheel variety, but that's fine. I like that too. Also know this little stretch. It is a nice little white stretch. I was watching one of the other YouTubers I follow, usually the related channel. They were out test riding new motorcycles. Those lucky suckers lived down in Florida where it's only down to like 50 at night or something. It's Florida, it's warm. And so they found this cool, surprisingly new little Suzuki GU250, the little tiny one. But it had the coolest paint job. Like black with like a red and orange stripe down the side, like an old school Harley or something. It was neat. What it would look like on this. I think my tank's tall enough. A little dinky that tank is. Pill blocks view, no kidding. Tar snake 50. Wonder how long it takes to get to 50. Not very. I mean, yeah, it took 2 years, but this is a cruiser based on like a fast approaching 40-year-old design. Oh, miss my heated grips from my last bike. Miss my heated grips real bad. That might have to happen. It's probably gonna happen. Maybe. I only need them at the very beginning and the very end of the riding season. We are definitely at the very end of the riding season in the Midwest in December. And even that's just because I'm slightly crazy. This is 144. Also a nice road, but it's a little more relaxed than the stretch of 44 that I'm looking for. Traffic to the left and right does not stop. Never count on it anyway. Alright, this is 44. Probably not going to talk a whole lot. This is kind of the part where it's just ride. Actually, 44 the rest of the way up to Martinsville is not too bad either, but it's not quite as technical as that. And even that, last couple of rides I've taken, not that technical. Fun though. Don't rear end the SUV, that would look stupid, especially on camera.